If you've ever wanted to start investing but felt overwhelmed by stock picking, you're not alone. The good news? You don't need to be a stock market expert to build wealth. ETFs make investing easy, low-cost, and stress-free. In this video, I'll reveal the 5 best ETFs for beginners that will help you build a solid portfolio, even if you have zero experience. And stick around till the end, because my number 1 ETF pick might surprise you. Starting off with an absolute classic, the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, or VOO. This ETF tracks the top 500 US companies, including Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon. Why it's great? VOO offers incredible diversification by spreading your investment across 500 top companies. Historically, it has provided an impressive average annual return of around 9 to 10%. With a super low fee of just 0.03%, it's cost-effective, keeping more of your money invested. If you're looking for long-term growth without picking individual stocks, VOO is a no-brainer. Even Warren Buffett recommends it for beginners. Now, let's move on to number 4, perfect for those who love passive income. Next up, for those who love the idea of getting paid just for holding an investment, we have SCHD, the Schwab US Dividend Equity ETF. This ETF focuses on high-quality dividend-paying stocks, making it an ideal choice for investors seeking a steady stream of passive income. Why choose SCHD? First, it holds a selection of top-notch dividend stocks from leading companies with a history of reliability. The ETF offers a dividend yield of around 3 to 4%, meaning you'll earn consistent payouts while your investment grows over time. SCHD also stands out for its combination of low fees and strong performance, helping you maximize your returns without excessive costs. It's a fantastic choice for anyone looking to build long-term wealth while enjoying regular dividend payouts. But what if you're thinking beyond US borders? Let's move on to an ETF that gives you access to the entire world. The US market is undoubtedly strong, but savvy investors know that global diversification is crucial for reducing risks and maximizing returns. That's where the Vanguard Total World Stock ETF, or VT, truly shines. This ETF is your one-stop shop for worldwide exposure, holding an impressive 500+ stocks across 47 countries, making it one of the most globally diversified options out there. Why VT? VT includes a mix of major global players like Tesla from the US, Alibaba from China, and Nestlé from Switzerland, spanning diverse industries and markets. With this ETF, you're investing in nearly every publicly traded stock in the world, providing a solid foundation for long-term global diversification. It's perfect for those who want to simplify their portfolio without sacrificing exposure to growth opportunities across the globe. VT allows you to tap into international markets effortlessly, whether you're a seasoned investor or just getting started. Now, let's move on to an ETF that's booming right now and is tailor-made for tech enthusiasts. Coming in at number 2 is a must-have for tech enthusiasts, the Invesco QQQ ETF. This ETF has been a key player in capturing the explosive growth of the technology sector, making it the go-to choice for investors who want a slice of the action in tech innovation. Why QQQ? QQQ holds a stellar lineup of top Nasdaq companies, including household names like Apple, Google, and Nvidia. These companies are not just leaders in their fields, they are driving the future with cutting-edge developments in AI, cloud computing, and more. Historically, QQQ has delivered remarkable annual returns, averaging 10 to 15%, making it one of the best-performing ETFs for growth. This ETF is perfect for those who believe in the long-term potential of tech and innovation. However, it's worth noting that QQQ can be a bit more volatile than other ETFs, so it might not be ideal for the faint-hearted. But for those who are ready to embrace a little risk in exchange for high growth potential, QQQ is a fantastic option. Now, are you ready for my number 1 pick? It's an ETF that could redefine the game. Finally, we've reached my number 1 ETF for beginners, the Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF, or VTI. If you're looking for an all-in-one investment that's easy to understand and effective, this is the ultimate choice. Why VTI? VTI gives you ownership of the entire US stock market, with over 4,000 companies in its portfolio. This means you're not just investing in large, well-known corporations like Apple and Microsoft, but also in medium and small businesses that fuel the economy. The mix of stability from big names and growth potential from smaller companies creates a balanced and dynamic investment. Additionally, VTI is known for its super low fees, keeping costs at a minimum while delivering strong historical returns. With this ETF, you get exposure to large cap, mid cap, and small cap stocks, all in a single fund. It's a fantastic set it and forget it option for those who are new to investing or prefer a hands-off approach. So, if you want to start your investing journey with one reliable and diversified fund, VTI has got you covered. So, those are the 5 best ETFs for beginners. Whether you're after growth, dividends, or global exposure, there's an ETF for you. Which ETF are you most excited about? Drop a comment below. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more investing tips. Want to start investing today? Check out my favorite brokerage in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.